Okay, so I have uploaded a good amount of shorts and long form content or videos, right? Enough to make a video about which one is better, if that's the case, which one gets better results, is it worth pursuing one more or less than the other, and I'm going to give some insights on this topic that I have noticed myself. Okay, welcome to the video, guys. First things first, I want to say that YouTube's bread and butter is long form content or videos, right? I realize they have added shorts not only to compete with their competitors, but also they know vertical video is a wave, a trend that is not going anywhere, okay? Although I do not like TikTok and the wave of doom scrolling that it has exposed me to, I will admit it is a new way to engage your audience with your content, right? I mean, I'm not saying all vertical or short video is bad, all right? A lot of it is brain rot, because some creators have actual helpful or inspiring content to share with the world. And shorts allows you to reach an audience whose attention span is lower or whose time is limited. And to be honest, that's a lot of people nowadays, including me, right? Back to long form videos though, which I believe is the heart and soul of your channel. And shorts are to get a viewer's attention and hook them in to your channel, or you can advertise yourself with shorts. Full length video really lets a person know what your channel is about. It allows someone to learn more about you on a personal level, and it allows you to express your own creativity in detail and in length, right? There's a reason they are increasing shorts length on YouTube, because you can only exhibit so much in such a limited time frame, all right? When it comes to videos versus shorts, I see shorts as a way for people to get a taste of what you're about, and videos are the class act where you form lifelong followers. And so let's talk about now how both of these categories perform on YouTube, right? And this is going to vary depending on your niche and how popular it is, how well you are at optimizing your own videos, how good is the content within the video, right? And the YouTube algorithm and a few other factors, right? The following is based on my experience thus far and a little research here and there, all right? I have noticed that my shorts get the majority of the views and the majority of the likes on my channel, which is one of the important engagement metrics the algorithm likes, right? Those likes, all right? At this point in time, YouTube Shorts algorithm is going to help you greatly at getting views, because what they are doing is they are putting your shorts in their shorts feed circulation, which is getting a ton of attention right now. And you can get a great amount of impressions off of this, and that is what shorts are good for: getting eyeballs on your channel and getting a viewer wanting to see more, right? Firstly, when it comes to long form, if you want to reach the YouTube partner watch time hours requirement, this is going to be the best option, all right? 30-second, 45-second shorts are not going to add up to much, even with a vast amount of videos. You'll reach this goal much faster with longer videos, right? And unlike shorts, your videos can work for you for days or months and years from now, especially if it gets ranked, because I have personally created some videos previously a while ago that continue to accrue engagement because of a good thumbnail, good content within it, and a topic that was highly demanded and needed more explanation and length, okay? I noticed that my videos get more engagement in terms of subscribers and comments, because at this point, right, most likely if a person has decided to click on your video, they have an interest or a passion for the topic of the video. And when it comes to passion, you tend to get more involved in it, right? You probably subscribe because you like how this creator presented their passion and it falls in line with what you like or agree with. Or maybe the creator sparked an argument that you feel strongly about and you wanted to share your take on it, right? These are the opportunities that long form provides. a chance to dive deeper and really connect with your audience. Also, my average view duration demolishes my shorts view duration, and that's obvious, but you need to know that a high video view duration means that people are watching your video a great amount of time before clicking off, and YouTube's algorithm loves videos that people love to watch, and you should too, because that means you did a good job on your video. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, as you can tell, both types of content have their roles to play on YouTube, and both should be uploaded on YouTube. At the end of the day, in my opinion, you shouldn't upload just one or the other. And here's my personal suggestion: the focus should be on long form, because that's the best for establishing your brand and establishing a connection with your viewers. And in terms of revenue, you get more opportunities for revenue when you post long form content, right? With shorts being an in-between videos pursuit in order for you to get the optimal results from the two. Okay, hope I gave you guys a little clarification on the subject. Subscribe if you like the video, guys. I will see y'all soon.